In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable Do Not Charge on your iPhone when it's stolen. This prevents unauthorized access to personal data stored on the device. It reduces the likelihood of the thief being able to use or sell your stolen iPhone. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of Face ID and passcode. You will then be required to enter your current passcode first. On this page, navigate onto the last option on accessories. Make sure to disable this option. When turned off, your iPhone will prevent accessories from connecting when it has been locked for more than an hour. So it's advisable to always turn this option off such that if someone steals your iPhone, accessories such as chargers can't connect to it. That's how easy it is to disable charging on your iPhone when it's stolen. If you have any questions about this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like. Share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.